Hitimu Academy, because learning should work for your life. Congratulations! By completing this orientation course, you've taken your first important step on the Hitimu platform. Your learning journey has officially begun, and now you're equipped with everything you need to succeed as an online learner. Let's take a moment to review what you've learned. You now understand what Hitimu is, a flexible, practical, and community-centered learning platform designed to help you grow, both personally and professionally. You've learned how to navigate the platform. You know how to register, log in, access your courses, track your progress, and download your certificates, all from your dashboard. You've explored how to learn effectively online, from building smart study habits and managing your time to minimizing distractions and using your mobile device. You're ready to make the most of every lesson. You've also discovered how to set and achieve learning goals using the SMART method. You've mapped out your personal learning path, and you know how to choose the right course to begin with. Now it's your turn. Hitimu gives you the tools, the support, and the freedom to learn at your own pace. What happens next is up to you. Pick a course, set a goal, commit to your growth. You don't have to be perfect, just consistent. Small, steady steps will take you far. So ask yourself, what's the first course you'll take next? And what goal will you aim to complete this month? This is just the beginning. Keep learning, keep growing, keep showing up for your future. Welcome to Hitimu. Learn, grow, succeed. Keep the momentum. Your progress matters.